She done messed my scarf up that I had on my head. Say hi, YouTube. What do you want to wear today? What do you want to wear today? Point at something. Oh, you spit on mommy. What do you want to wear today, Rhea? Rhea. Point at it. We're going to put a jumpsuit on. I think I'm going to put this on her. Okay, here. Pick your own outfit. What's your own outfit? She acts up, y'all. I'm that. She's that. We're that. We're that. And here's the start of the day. Yeah, so I'll be back momentarily.
In and out, in and out, in and out, arguing, trifling, difficult, back more, I don't know.
Hey you guys, it's Inga Maiya. So today I have a very special someone here today. The one and only. I really love. So today we will be showing, well, I will be showing you guys because she's asleep, but I will be showing you guys her Walmart spring baby clothing. She won't be trying them on because she's asleep, 1. 2, she's a little on the fussy side when she's up, and 3, she don't play. So I'm gonna let her be. But I do want to show her beautiful face because I literally posted a video of me having her and didn't post nothing else. So here she is, Miss Aria Love. So yeah, like I said, every time I go into Walmart, I'm literally picking up something new that I didn't get the last time. Cause I'll be like, I didn't see that here. I didn't get you last time. So I'm just gonna show you guys. And Walmart is everybody got a Walmart, so maybe you got it. If you got it for your child, comment it down below. It's super affordable. All their clothing is, actually. I love their clothing for their babies because it's so like colorful, and I love to see her in colors. I just love like pinks and yellows and purples and blues and orange. I love every color on my child. So instead of just wearing like grays and blacks and dark colors, it's springtime. Put those colors on your kids and take pictures. So without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay, so the first piece that I want to show you guys is this top. It says all you need is love, because all you need is love. Her middle name is Love, so anything that says hearts, anything that says love and has hearts on it, she has it because that's her name. So it's super cute. Y'all see the colors, like there's nothing that you can't match just with. Look at the colors, y'all. Pink pants, blue pants, purple pants. So what I'm going to do is just do shirt pants like that. So the next thing I want to show you guys is these cute Daisy dupes. Like, look at them, y'all. They're so cute. And I just love a nice blue, like a nice jean blue. So they have like a ruffle detailing on them. And like I said, I don't think I said this yet, but if this, you see the tags on it, it's because I literally bought it like this weekend or last weekend. So yeah, like the shirt I just showed you guys, this is something that you can wear with it because, you know, jean go with everything, right? And then like if you put on like these, then your shoes, then yours her shoes can be like pink or blue or yellow or purple, like, you know, y'all know how to match. So here's another shirt. It says here comes the sun, and this could go with the shorts I just showed you guys. It's kind of like the first shirt, just like the colors are you know, in a different way. But like I said, you can do what you want with it. Wear blue sandals, pink sandals, yellow sandals. It doesn't matter. With some cute sunglasses and a cute bow. So here's another pair of shorts that I want to show you guys. They're a darker color from the last pair, but these are still cute. They have like the little ribbon detail at the front, and then just like, you know, tight ruffles right at the like thigh area. This can go with the last shirt, this can go with the first shirt, this can go with any shirt, because denim goes with everything in the world, literally. Okay, so here's this shirt. It's just a simple orange shirt with a pink butterfly on it. Just something simple. I love the sleeves, and yeah, it's cute. Why not? Okay, so for that shirt I just showed you guys, I paired it with these pink shorts. Now these shorts are just like the first shorts I showed you guys, like the lighter blue. It's just in a pink color. So that orange shirt and these pink pants, super cute. You could do like a white shoe, a white sandal, or you could do like whatever color, brown. Just, you know, make sure that it matches. I wouldn't do like blue sandals with like orange and pink, but y'all get what I'm saying. So here's the pink shorts. So next I got this simple blue shirt. Now, get it right. You can do what you want, where you want with this shirt, because it's just a simple blue shirt. Yeah, it's not much to say about it. They literally have like every color that you seeing, with the yellows and the pinks and the blues and purples. Every shirt is just a solid color, so you know, simple. For the blue shirt, I paired it with these cute leggings. It's got that blue, pink, purple, yellow. And here's the back of them. She snores, y'all. I'm sorry. Not sorry. So here's the bag. Like I said, super cute. Do what you want. White sandals, blue sandals, purple sandals, yellow sandals. I got this cute homegrown purple lavender shirt. Y'all see the flowers, because at the end of the day, she's homegrown at the end of the day. And y'all see the sleeves. It's got like some ruffles on it, and it's a bodysuit. It's really cute, you know. And for that homegrown shirt, I got these cute shorts. As y'all seen in the homegrown shirt, it had like flowers as the O's. So I'm like, let me get the flower shorts. And now this has pockets, but this is like a different material than obviously the jeans, but cute, right? Next, I have this shirt. Now this shirt is just like the orange shirt with the butterfly. It's just a different design on it. It says just so cute, because she's just so cute, and more. So it has different, you know, flamingo, a rainbow flower, a cactus, a cat, you know, just making it bright and, like I said, colorful for the kids, the babies. Go with that shirt, I got these olive green shorts. Now this is like a different material. It's like a texture. I don't know what you want to call this fabric, but these are cute. And y'all seen the green cactus in the white shirt, so I was like, you know, I'm gonna get some green shorts to go with it, make it cute, like, you know, pop them colors out, pop them colors out. She has this cute shirt that says mommy main squeeze, because period, she's mommy's main squeeze. Okay, y'all see the colors in it. And you know, I'm a type of person, I'm gonna give me a shirt that got a limit on it too, because that's just what I do. It's got the pinks in it, the yellows in it. And then for that shirt, I got these dark blue jeans shorts. And yeah, they're just like the last pair I showed you guys, I think. And yeah, same detailing and everything, just a different color. Like I said, I literally buy everything up there on the shelves. I buy it because why not? Has these cute shorts with like tigers and leaves on it and flamingos. Y'all see all the colors on them that she could, you know, wear as a top. purple, pink, blue, you know. These shorts could go with that shirt that says homegrown. It also could go with all of this stuff because they all have the same color schemes. This like material is the same material as the flower shorts that I showed you guys. It's just in the same print, but this just has a purple bow. This cute Dinosaur shirt. Yes, my girl can wear dinosaurs. Y'all see the colors: blue, pink, purple, coral, pink. It can go with them purple shorts, right or wrong. I'm telling y'all, why would y'all play with Walmart? And last but not least, y'all, I have this pink bodysuit and it says love. Like I said in the beginning, anything that has love or hearts on it, she has it because her middle name is Love and hearts mean love. So like I said, same color schemes, the blues, the purples, the yellows. So you could wear any of the things I just showed y'all. These purple shorts, the jean shorts, the pink shorts, whatever you want to do. So 9 times out of 10, I'm sorry, Rhea. If I go through my closet one more time, not mine, but if I go through my closet one more time, I will find stuff that I didn't show you guys. But I do want to do a summer haul, so I'm not gonna, you know, show everything because some sizes are for the summer and some sizes are for right now. You get it? You get it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will be doing, you know, other brands such as Shein, Carter, Burlington. Wherever there's baby clothes, I probably have clothes from there. So just comment below places that you want me to do hauls for her. And if you know me, then that's all you need to know. If you know, to know me is to love me. So y'all know I'm back. Y'all know she better come with the fire fits. Y'all know that. Y'all know that. Y'all know. You want? Let me show y'all something. Man, it's in your face. But like I said, like, comment, subscribe to my channel because it's only up from here. I will see you guys in the next video.